Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you an amazing Instagram trick. How to stay online but appear offline ***. And how to hide read receipts so others can't see when you've read their messages. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open your Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the 3 lines menu at the top right corner. Then select Settings and Privacy. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Here, you'll find an option called Show Activity Status. Turn this off, now no one can see when you're online or active. Step 3. Next, find the option Show Read Receipts. Turn that off too. Now, even if you read someone's message, they won't see the scene, tick, or know you've opened it. That's it. Now you can use Instagram secretly. Stay online but look offline, ***, and read messages without showing seen. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. For more awesome Instagram tips and tricks,